I just wanted to do a real quick video and show y'all that we actually do have snow once again. It's really wet. It's not sticking. And yeah, we forgot to cover the grill after this weekend. We had some friends over. And yeah, that's snow. It's of course, I have relatives getting ready to come and visit me from New Hampshire, so just what they want to come down south for is to have snow. Hopefully they'll bring, they won't bring any more snow with them when they come. Hopefully it will warm up so they can enjoy Virginia in February. So, sorry guys, I'm not feeling so great. I'll be okay though. It'll go away. Look, I got trees blooming over here and snow. All right then. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye.